This aircraft first took to the skies over 70 years ago, yet today, militaries around the world still trust it more than brand new jets. The Lockheed C-130 Hercules. It's slow, it's old, and it refuses to be replaced. But why? What makes this plane, designed decades ago, still the backbone of military operations around the globe? In the next few minutes, you'll see how an aircraft built in the 1950s continues to outperform modern jets in critical missions, surviving conditions that would ground newer aircraft. This is the story of the C-130 Hercules, a true legend of the skies. When the C-130 was designed in the 1950s, engineers had a bold mission: build an aircraft that could carry massive cargo, land anywhere, and survive anything. From icy mountain runways to desert airstrips, it could operate where no other aircraft dared. Its versatility became legendary, and that legacy continues today. It wasn't built for speed, it wasn't built for sleekness, it was built to work, in every environment, in every condition. And over 70 decades later, that mission remains its most valuable trait. Over the decades, the C-130 has been tested in ways few aircraft ever are. It has flown into war zones, disaster areas, and remote regions where roads don't exist and modern jets cannot land. Its missions are as varied as they are dangerous. During the Vietnam War, the Hercules delivered troops and supplies into highly contested territories. In the deserts of the Middle East, it transported tanks, artillery, and critical supplies to the front lines. In Haiti, Pakistan, and Indonesia, it flew over mountains and rivers to deliver aid after earthquakes and floods. No other aircraft combines payload, range, and the ability to land on improvised airstrips the way the Hercules does. Newer jets may be faster, more advanced, or stealthier, but they cannot operate in these extreme, unpredictable environments, and that is exactly why militaries still trust the C-130. Modern military aircraft are technological marvels, sleek, fast, and heavily armed. But for logistics, transport, and humanitarian operations, speed isn't always the most important factor. In fact, it can be a limitation. Jets need long, well-maintained runways. They struggle to carry oversized cargo to remote or unprepared locations. They're expensive to maintain and difficult to repair in the field. The Hercules, on the other hand, thrives in conditions where newer jets fail. Its short takeoff and landing capability, heavy payload capacity, and durability make it irreplaceable. Militaries around the world have tested newer transport aircraft in extreme environments, and time again, the C-130 has outperformed them. It doesn't just survive, it excels under conditions where others would be grounded or fail entirely. So what exactly makes this plane so unstoppable? The answer lies in its engineering. Every component of the C-130 is overbuilt for reliability. The 4 turboprop engines allow it to carry heavy loads without relying on perfect runways. Its landing gear and airframe are designed to withstand impacts and rough terrain. The aircraft's structure alone can survive conditions that would render other planes unusable. Even older models are continuously upgraded with modern avionics, navigation, and defensive systems, allowing them to meet today's mission requirements without losing the legendary reliability that made them famous. This combination of durability, adaptability, and simplicity is unmatched in aviation. Pilots often say that flying a Hercules feels different, almost like the aircraft itself is watching over the mission. It inspires confidence because it has proven itself under pressure for decades, and that trust cannot be built into a newer plane overnight. The C-130's mission history reads like a storybook of heroism and endurance. From delivering emergency aid to war-torn regions, evacuating civilians under fire, to dropping paratroopers into enemy territory, the Hercules has seen it all. During Hurricane Katrina in 2005, when roads and bridges collapsed, the Hercules delivered critical supplies to isolated areas. During the Gulf War, it carried tanks, artillery, and troops to front lines where no other aircraft could reach. In Afghanistan, it operated at high altitudes and rough airstrips, proving once again that the plane's design was decades ahead of its time. Every mission adds to its legendary status. Every mission reinforces the reason militaries continue to rely on it, and the stories keep coming. Even today, the Hercules continues to perform tasks that newer high-tech jets cannot. The Hercules isn't just a U.S. military asset. Nations around the globe, from Europe to Asia, Africa to the Middle East, operate it as a core component of their fleets. Some countries have even rejected modern alternatives because the Hercules consistently outperforms them in real-world operations. Its reliability is unmatched, its versatility legendary, and its reputation unshakable. Pilots trust it, commanders depend on it, militaries build strategies around it. The Hercules has become more than just a plane. It has become an institution, a symbol of capability and resilience in the air. The true secret behind the Hercules' dominance isn't just engineering or versatility, it's trust, the kind that only comes from decades of proven performance. Generations of pilots, engineers, and commanders know that when a C-130 takes off, the mission will succeed. No new aircraft has earned this level of confidence. No cutting-edge jet has demonstrated the same combination of reliability, adaptability, and endurance. Until something can match this legacy, the C-130 Hercules will continue to fly, carrying supplies, troops, and hope across every corner of the globe. So next time you see a C-130 Hercules in the sky, remember this: it's not just an aircraft, it's a legend, a plane that refuses to be replaced. Old, proven, and unstoppable, the Hercules continues to outshine newer jets around the world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the legendary C-130 Hercules, hit the like button, subscribe for more aviation stories, and comment below which Hercules mission amazed you the most.